Guys, let's see how you can make use of this split method, which has two input parameter, text and a separator, separated by a common delimiter, that is colon. I have subscribe colon like colon share to provide the separator, and I want to separate my string based on the colon. So I'll just give this and I'm going to run only this component. In order to display the output, you can use an external component, either show or something, but I'm just directly going to preview the data. So just click on this, click on preview data, and now we have the array of string which has the length of 3. We have subscribe, like and share. If you want to display each string separately, then go to the toolbox and look for each. So I'll just use this, and I'm just going to pass the collection, and then you can use a show method to display its output. First string, which is subscribe, like and share. It's about the simple split component using a common delimiter. In one of my long videos, I'll be showing how you can split your string when you have multiple delimiters. Thank you so much for watching this video.